So let's get started with our Shopify store. You need to click the link. There should be a link below the video to click on to come to your Shopify, to sign up for your Shopify free trial. So just click the free trial button. You'll need to enter your email address. There we go. Enter your password and your store name. There we go. You can change this store name later, by the way, so that's not a problem. If you don't have a proper name yet, just put something in there, and then it will go away and create your store. And we will, when it's finished, you'll have to enter a little bit. Now you can skip all of this. You don't have to put all this in, but if you want to, then, feel free. And if you're not, just getting started or whatever, it's revenue, just asking you a few things about what kind of store and things you're setting up. Mainly, I think, because there are certain themes and certain functions inside Shopify which are more suited for high volume sites with much bigger inventories. For example, that would really be more suited to a different plan than somebody that's just got maybe a couple of hundred products and they're just starting out. So this just, I think, helps Shopify decide really what the best option is for you. But you can just click next. You don't need to enter anything in there if you don't want to. And then you just need to add your address. So I'll pause a moment while I put all this data in, and then you can go and enter your store. And this is your main store area. And this is, you now actually have an online shop, believe it or not. If you go over to the left hand side, you'll see store, and you see a little eye icon there. If you click that eye icon, you will see what your store looks like. Well, obviously there's nothing in it. It's just it's quite good the way they do it. They put these sort of placeholder images and things so you can see what it's going to look like. But I mean, you can see from this that if all you do, you can sort of stick your own image and text here. That's quite easy. By the time you've added a few products, so this is what your products and collections and things are going to look like. It's really pretty much ready to go. You just need to set up your payment, shipping, and you're good to go. So that's what we're going to be covering in the next few videos, walking through how to actually get the shop set up so that you're ready to sell. See you in the next video.